I'm Eric with CryptoCurrently. Today we are here to talk insurance with the blockchain-based revolutionary insurance company Umbrella Coin. Umbrella Coin is decentralizing the frustrating insurance world by putting the power and the desired transparency into the hands of the insureds, not the insurer. Under the standard insurance models, the company will send a claims agent to look at damages and assess whether or not they fall under the strict and often confusing guidelines of insurability. Umbrella Coin is changing the paradigm with an honest, group-centric approach to insurance. Terry Tata, president and CEO of Umbrella Coin, took some time out of his day to talk with us. Terry, first, thanks for being on. Umbrella Coin is an exciting blockchain-based concept, and let's start at the foundation of any insurance company, which is the claims pool. In your case, you're using the term float to describe the place money is drawn for claims. Give us some information about your float.
We borrowed that term from actually traditional insurance companies. So when you pay your premium, that goes into their float, and then they use that to invest that. So they're basically getting dividends and interest on your money, and that's how they build up the pool such to handle these claims. And another thing is, a lot of these companies, they handle payouts up to very massive amounts, right? Like if Hurricane Katrina hits, for example, they're going to have to pay out a substantial amount of money. We're kind of taking a more risk-averse approach. So we're going to limit the number of max payouts because, we're primarily covering hidden costs like deductibles. So that allows our float to be more resilient to a blitz of payouts.
Your concept gives public claims a vote for benefit holders that are limited to 3 submissions per claims package. This gives your insurance brand new transparency, and members of the insuring pool know exactly what they're getting into. This would seek to eliminate unnecessary claims of any type where a non-critical claim is made and everyone else in the pool suffers a rate increase as a result.
Yeah, so really what we are trying to do there is to prevent people from trying to abuse the system, like you say, trying to drain our funds just with these nonsensical claims, because we believe the community is smart. If they're given this evidence and they will ask these questions about is this really worthy of this amount of money? Is this really sufficient evidence? Are you sure this payout warrants this? This claim warrants this payout, right? So we're really trying to give people the understanding of no, these are the claims that are being made, and this since they own a stake in the pool. They own a stake in the pool in the regular insurance companies too, but they don't have a say in where it goes. So we just want to put the power back in their hands more or less.
Umbrella Coin is running an ICO like any good cryptocurrency or blockchain-based company is doing at the moment. Give us an idea of what your ICO entails, what you guys are getting into, what you're seeking from it, and we're going to link a bunch of information at the bottom of this video so everybody can find you.
Sure. So we're aiming for a minimum of 5,000 Ether. Our max cap is 100,000 Ether. The conversion rate is going to be 1 Ether is going to be worth 600 UMC, 600 Umbrella Coin. But the first 5,000 Ether will receive a 100% bonus. So basically, we were weighing the option of doing a pre-sale and offering a bigger bonus, but we decided, let's really gift the people who believe in the project early and really help us get off the ground. So we're just going to give them the 100% bonus, and that's going to leave us with roughly 68 million tokens up for sale. So there's 100 million tokens, about 68 million are up for sale. About 2 million of that is going to a bounty that we're running on Bitcoin Talk. 10 million is going to the founders and the development team, and then 20 million we're going to use to build a preliminary float pool. The reason for that is we want to reach a good equilibrium of claims rate and policy rate and conversion in that regard, so that we can properly adjust and calibrate the fund, so we have a net positive going in. So we just want to for the initial claims, we want to have enough to pay out.
The big thing about Umbrella Coin is transparency in the community. So where are you guys headed in the future? Once you get your platform set up, where is Umbrella Coin going to go? What is your focus and what are your immediate goals?
The focus is going to be on growing the community, right? This product is going to be made by the community. It's going to be built on the community trusting each other and trusting the transparency that we're going to provide and that we're going to allow them to partake in. So really, I think the majority of our efforts after a successful sale, it's going to go into development, which we already have a prototype up and running. You can go check it out if you want to. We still need to integrate with some of the blockchain stuff, but a lot of the front end stuff is is coming along, and we have integration with like a mock backend, but we're really going to focus on growing the community. And based on the feedback we're getting, I actually think as the word gets out more and more, I think people are going to jump on board. We have a Discord server that we're using, mostly for team chat. And this weekend, we had a live Q&A, and a few guys came in. One guy from the Netherlands, a few USA guys, somebody from Indonesia, and one thing that I kept coming across and doing the research for this, and it was reaffirmed this weekend, is that this is not just a U.S. centric problem. The guy from the Netherlands was telling us, they have mandates on auto insurance and home insurance too. Well, home insurance, I think in some areas. And he says, yeah, when you're young, when you're 16, it's basically impossible to drive because just the cost of insurance, it totally cripples you. So this isn't just a thing that, a lot of people are like equating this to health insurance because health insurance is a hot button topic in the United States right now. But really, this extends to every aspect, like auto, home, life, health, like anything that has any kind of hidden costs or any sort of premium that could rise. We're really trying to cover that. Hence, umbrella. We're covering everything. So we really think this has a great chance as more people start to hear about it. And like you said, we seem to be getting more traction.
Terry, I want to thank you again for taking time out of your day to talk with us here at CryptoCurrently. Again, this is Terry Tata, President and CEO of UmbrellaCoin, a revolutionary blockchain-based insurance company. You can find a link to their website, ICO, and associated social media below in the description on this video. I'm Eric with CryptoCurrently. Please check out our social media and website for more interviews, news, and cryptocurrency information. We'll see you on the blockchain.